Hey guys, got a quick little bandsaw tip here for you. Just shooting this with my phone. I had this weird piece that I needed to cut an angle off of, and when I stick it in there, this is actually the piece right here. It does screw onto this when the whole thing is assembled, but it's only that far, so it didn't stick out far enough of my vise. So what I actually did was I clamped it in V-blocks like that, and it feels pretty darn solid, so let's see how well it cuts. Oops, sorry. Alright, it works. What you gotta watch out for is if I was threaded in that rod, it cut through the top, great. When it hit the bottom, now the blade is trying to turn it the other way and it was unthreading it until I got it tight enough. But it works. So yeah.